Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about who is out there who want to learn English speaking part but they are unable because they don't know what is the thing that is required for me to understand and how I can start my English speaking conversation. So before I start this video, I want to tell you that please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from my channel. So let's start this video without further delay. I want to show you that you already heard about the LSRW practice. I know that many of you or more of than most of them that they heard about the LSRW practice. So yeah, this practice is also really going to helpful for everyone, and it's also going to helpful for me also because I also practice this LSRW because the L is first thing which they don't know. I wanted to tell you the LSRW, what is this. So LSRW means L is the listening and S is the speaking part and R is the reading part and W is the writing part. So this is all about connect with one another. So you have to daily practice with this. But if you sometimes forget, like I just wanted to forget sometime to reading or to writing something, but I never forget two things, that is listening and speaking. That I speak if I am not speaking with someone else in front of me. So what I do, that I just use my mirror practice. Mirror practice is really going to helpful. Listen, this video is definitely helpful for you. I definitely try that at the end of this video, who are beginner or who want to learn English speaking a good fluenter in English, so you will get all the answers of your all questions. So please watch it till the end. Okay, I will tell you also that what is the thing that you have to do for this. Okay, because the reason that is really important, that what is the you have to practice and what is the tool that you can use to improve your English speaking part. So that is what I wanted to tell you. Mirror practice is really going to helpful for me, and it's always helpful for everyone. I think I can say that because I see that there are many people who definitely they try this practice and they definitely they have a good outcome for this. So you can also practice it because there is no one, if you are a beginner, so there is no one who can listen to you, who want to listen to you. Because, and also I know that in the in our our surroundings, there are no most of them are not very good English speaker person, so they are unable to speak English. So how you can start your conversation, right? So the good thing is that you start your mirror practice. Once you have built your confidence, then you can start your conversation with the another person who should really know about some English speaking conversations. So you can start your conversation with them. So yeah, this is the conversation that I am speaking part I am talking about, but the reading first is first is the listening part. So I will talk about the listening part, how you can listen and what's the content that you can listen, right? So the first thing that I start when I started to speak English part. So my first listening thing that I listen is TED Talk. So I really definitely every day I just make sure that one video at least I watch this, listen it and watch it also. So because I love it to see the expressions and that how the movement they do. So I watch it at the end of all these videos. One or two videos I definitely watch it and listen it properly, and sometimes I'll make a note of them because I just forget the sentences that they are using in their conversation. So I just forget them, so I just make a notes. So you can also use this technique also from your speaking class to improve your English speaking practice. So you have to, wherever you find that I don't understand what is they saying and how somehow I can forget this practice, so you can write down these notes and make your own notes, and then you will revise it again and again every day. So you will get that I am considering it something and I know that what I am doing something. Sometimes you cannot forget this if you are really doing the same things, so you can never forget this, right? So this is the listening part. TED Talks is my best, so that I am definitely every day I just watch it and listen it. And yeah, the second I am doing this, sometime I just watch some short movies because they are using their daily routine conversation sometimes they have. So it's really helpful for you to understand how you can use these words in your daily conversation. So that will also definitely build your own confidence, that you will be able to speak in a, in a daily basis routine, how the words that I can use, how I construct the sentences. So this will also helpful for you, so you can watch it, otherwise you can miss it. But the thing is, TikToks is really going to help, or you can use the podcast is really helpful for me. I also जब evening होती थी, when I evening time, I definitely watch, I try to listen the podcast. एंड यू नो व्हाट, मॉर्निंग में मैं जो है अपना टेक टॉक्स कर लेती थी, और रात में मैं अपना पॉडकास्ट. तो आई जस्ट डेफिनेटली फॉलो द पॉडकास्ट विच इज़ रियली गोइंग टू हेल्पफुल फॉर मी. आई नो दैट दिस इज़ रियली helpful for all out there who want to improve their English speaking. So you have to definitely follow this. And after following this listening part, you have to move into the speaking part. I just told you that you have to speak if there is no one with you, so you can use the mirror practice, which is also I followed it. I also daily just stand in the front of mirror and start my speaking English part. So you can also use this practice is like, illusion, create an illusion, but it's really working, and it's helpful for everyone who's out there who want to improve their English speaking. So you have to definitely follow these tips, and you have to try this. Then you will be able to understand that this is really good, getting a good outcome for you. So yeah, you have to practice this mirror practice, and you can when you start to speaking, then you have to create a thought in your brain. But yeah, when you start your conversation in English, don't use any Hindi words. Just forget the Hindi word or your own word, native language, whatever you have. Just forget for some time, and just use the only main your targeted language. You have to remember your targeted language which you have. So if you are learning English, so you have to target in your brain that I am going to learn English. So I just have to mention my English speaking, all conversation is going around with English. I don't need to here use any other language. Whatever I have language, my native, I just don't to remember. I don't need to remember over here. Okay, so just I have to remember only my targeted language. Okay, so you have to just remember that, and then you have to practice it. So if you start to speaking, then you have to speak in front of mirror, or you can speak in your own brain. Just make your thoughts like something is happening, then you create the thought that I have to speak this at this time, and you when something is happening at the other side, you have to think. So the situation based thinking you have to start. Okay, this technique is helpful for you. I am also using this technique. You know what, everyone who's create imagination on the thoughts, then that imagination is give you a good English conversation, and that give you a good thought process also. So that is why it is also important. So hence you can learn very fastly, start boosting your English speaking practice, right? So this is very part. The two things is really definitely going to help you for you. Sometimes I forget the reading and writing part, but I never forget listening and speaking part. These two you don't have to forget, never. You have to practice every day these two techniques. And when I move to the third is reading. So reading is also definitely very important part. I also majorly I never forget this, because I love reading books. So I follow some books which I read. Sometimes I follow some fictions books or some non-fiction also. So I used to some books which is really helpful for me. Sometimes I like to read some story kind of books, because they give you a message as well, and some inspirational books that they will helpful for you to understand how I construct the sentences. You know what, you have to first, if you are beginner, so you have to initially start a very basic English books, right? So that you can able to make a sentence your own on the basis of this sentences. You will be able to make your own sentences in your brain, and then you create your own thoughts on this. So that is really important. You have to create your imagination thought, because if you are a child and you will want to learn English speaking, so how you can use it? You will listen it and you create your own thought on this process. So you have to use this process on your English speaking practice also. You have to. This will definitely helpful for everyone, and I definitely can assure you that this will also going to helpful for you. So reading में ये part था जो important है, that I am telling you. So रीडिंग के लिए आप ये सारी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं, fictions और नॉन fictions. That is really going to helpful for you if you do this. So and after when I move to the reading part, when you complete that, then you have to go into the writing part. Writing is also important part, you can't miss it out. Or if you really want that I want to good speaker and I also want to good writing, मतलब मेरी writing भी अच्छी हो जाए English में, so I have to write down everything. You have to write down whatever the thoughts that you create from your reading parts, from your speaking practice and your listening practice. You have to create some thought, and it is also creating it automatically create a thought, obviously, because if you are doing something from the whole day and then you have something to write down and you want to write down something, so you have to start your write down, 1 or 2 pages you can write down the things that you create in your own brain, or that the information that you are acquiring, that you have to write down wherever you want to write down. So you can make your own notes and you have to write down these things, and then you have to remember these things, that what I am missing out, where the sentence that I am going to that I am making mistakes, so you have to correct them again and again. You have to do these practices every day, and that practice will definitely go into 4 or 5 months. After that you will see that the really a good outcome has came out. You have when you compare yourself with before 4 or 3 or 4 months, so you will definitely find a good outcome with this. So that is the thing that I wanted to share with you, and I hope this will, if you practice it every day, so you will become a good English speaker, and you have no problem with this speaking, whether someone if they speaking or they are talking with you, so you can easily start your conversation with English as well. So I think this will definitely going to helpful for you. And yeah, the things that I telling you, that ki TED Talks is the listening for listening, this is really good, but because this is inspirational also, so this will help you to emphasize yourself that you have to do it, you have to start your English speaking practice, you have to create your own things that you want to create in English, and if you are unable to do this, so you have to make sure that I will able to speak English. So this is why this is really important, and you can use this practice also, because this is really going to helpful for everyone, and also this is going to helpful for you as well, I can assure you. And please support this channel. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel also, and I can make you good videos as well, so that I'll definitely put some more informative videos for you. And if you have any query regarding this, or you have any or you want that I help you any practice, that what is the resource that I used, I telling you that resources is really enough, but still if you nevertheless if you want that I'll make different resources, I wanted to use that, so you can comment me, I'll definitely reply on it. So thank you so much for watching us, and we will be meet soon in the next video. Thank you so much.